Hello everyone. So this is the new Royal Enfield Meteor 350. This is a custom silver. So let us begin with the instrument cluster. So it has, as you can see, it has a fuel indicator, the trip meter, as well as it shows the gear indication. Also here, this is a new feature in Royal Enfield 350 Meteor. It shows the time as well as you can connect, and this is as well as you can connect with the net, and it will show the directions where you want to go. This is as told by Royal Enfield is known as the trip indicator or the trip meter. It will show you the destination. You can connect with mobile via the Royal Enfield app. And now coming to the color, this is the silver color. This is a custom silver, and this, if you want this color, then you'll have to customize it in the Royal Enfield app from Make It Yours. So as you can see here, it's written custom built, and here it's the name of the owner. This is owner's name, and below that you can see it's written November 2020. So this is the manufacturing date. It was made in November 2020 particularly for this person. And now coming to the seats, this is the Royal Enfield custom seat, and this seat is known as a touring seat. So as I have told you, you can customize your bike, what color you want, what seat you want, and what are the features you want. So this is the touring seat, so you can customize it in the Make It Yours for the rider and pillion. And in the top model, that is the Meteor 350 Supernova, this backrest, it comes with the bike. But if you are purchasing the lower variant like Fireball, it won't come. And now coming to the foot pegs, these are the customized foot pegs. As you can see, these are very broad and big, so it's become very easy for the rider to ride comfortably during long ride. As you can see, the entire foot can rest easily here, and these are the normal foot pegs which comes with this bike. So these foot pegs you will get in all the variants of the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 if you're buying Fireball, Supernova or Stellar variant. But these foot pegs you have to customize it, and I can assure you these foot pegs are very comfortable. And now coming to the engine guard, this leg guard, as you can see, this is chrome finish. So this is an original engine guard from Royal Enfield. So here the tag is there, Royal Enfield. So I suggest to buy original product from Royal Enfield itself, because the make and finish of this engine guard is very good, as well as it supports the design of the bike. So this engine guard cost me around 3,500, around 3,500 or 400, you can say 3,500 or 3,400 exactly, I don't remember now. And this foot pegs, that is for the rider position, it came around 1,800. So the price of this foot pegs for the rider position is 1,800. And moreover, it has dual channel ABS. There is both for the front and for the back. And here, these buttons, you can see, these buttons are very new in design, as well as it's very comfortable. This is the button that is round in shape. So now this is the engine kill switch, and then if you want to on it, you do like this, and after that this is the self. If you want to switch it on, you can directly switch it on like this. Okay, now that's all for today. More videos will be coming soon, so thank you.